So we're finally starting the trip, but something to know is that we were supposed to go to Muskoka. We rent a cottage, but this champion rent the cottage, which is like 2 hours away from Muskoka. So we're actually going to Muskoka, but only for a couple hours, just to kind of like check it out, and then go to the cottage that he actually rent. Well done, champion.
We were all together there at the same time when we rented.
We didn't know, like he showed us the cottage on the Airbnb platform, but we never checked the address, so we actually thought it was in Muskoka. And it's cool, we're still going. Muskoka! Yay! And we finally made it to Muskoka. Look at this. It's really cool. We finally made it, so we're just gonna hang out a little bit and then we'll see what to go eat something because we're starving already. As you can see in the shot, anything to say about the house?
It's amazing.
It's nice, right?
Like me.
Like him. Right there is the mango.
¿Lo encontraste?
Mango, anything to say, Mango?
Yay! I like the house. Yay!
Yeah. Oh, she talked. The sign that says busy, because there's somebody in this house who always opens the door without even knocking, so just to prevent accidents, right? And here's the swimming pool again. We actually thought there was going to be like a lake in front of the house. I don't know why we thought that. We saw the pictures, so we assumed the lake was right in front of the house, but there's nothing in front of the house more than just this. But it's still really cool. Oh, look at that camera. Say yes. Woo! And right there, that's my child. I'm still waiting for the password of the Wi-Fi in order to watch something online. And here is. I'll see you guys later. Let's see if he left it open. Let's see. Hi! Oh yeah, it says ocupado, means busy. Oh, it says postdata para Juan David, because apparently I always open it. Oh, who did this? That was Veronica. Pepe, can I get in? Not yet? And now? This guy. We're finally in the beach. Look how it is. We totally love it. It was raining, but it has stopped raining, and now this is our time. We would like to go there. Oh, you can't see this.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh.
That if I don't make it to that island, everything goes to my daughter, Isabela Cardon. I finally made it to the island. Look at this. I really wish I had a drone right now. Alright, something to say about Muskoka is that it's so big. It's a city that contains so many lakes, about 1,600 lakes. 1,600 lakes, that's a lot.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
You like it? Yeah. ¿Con quién lo hiciste? Yeah. Alright, Alright, so we waited 4 hours for this to be done. This guy started cooking like at what time? Like at 8 p.m.?
Juanita.
Yeah.
This guy.
Oh wait, okay. Okay, this girl.
Gracias.
So what time did you guys start
Como a las
doing this?
9:30.
Like at 9:30 p.m.? Okay, so right now it's
Las 3 de la mañana.
2:20 a.m. in the morning. Let's see if the wait was actually worth it.
5 horas se demoraron la.
Not really. It was not worth it. I haven't gone to bed just for this. No, it was good. It is good. We all liked it. He's the chef of the group. Yeah, she did most of the work because he was actually sleeping the whole time when he said that he was going to do it. But at least we're eating right now, and it's good. It was not worth it. Chile's empanadas. They did it. So let's see how they. What's the taste of this? You like it? From 1 to 10?
10.
From 1 to 10?
10.
Ah, because you're Chilean.
Okay. Why?
10. Alright, and so we finally came to Gooderham Lake, also very close to Muskoka. And look at this.
To each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us and no others, only us. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's sad to
Tomorrow will be the last lake that we will be visiting for the end of this trip. So I hope you guys like it. Alright, and this is the very last day of our trip to Muskoka, and we finally found this place just to eat something before we go to the last beach. Right there. The Stony Lake Market Grill. Let's see how it goes. It looks like it's a really good place, so hopefully food is delicious. It looks good. The only thing is that my sandwich looks way too small. I think even my daughter would be able to finish it all. He got the pizza and that's huge. The pasta is also huge. It's a lot. And this is my little sandwich. Look at my finger right there. That's my finger. So I'm gonna have to get some of his pizza and her pasta because yeah, it's insanely small. Hopefully it's good. Quarry Bay Beach, and it's located like almost 2.5 hours away from Toronto. Look at this. Let's get some shots. Alright, this is the end of the weekend and we finally coming back to Toronto. We totally love it. 3 beaches in 3 days. We love it. You guys need to come to these places between 1.5 hours and 2 hours away from Toronto, close to Muskoka, northeast. So you guys really need to check these beaches out. See you later.